Good Guys, the gold standard in exceptional leaf cleanup service. Now let's talk about leaf cleanup. It's a task that seems simple on the surface but can quickly become a Herculean endeavor. Fallen leaves blanket lawns, driveways, and sidewalks, but the sheer volume of leaves often proves too much for the average homeowner to handle alone. This is where Good Guys Landscaping shines. Their team of skilled professionals understands the challenges of leaf cleanup and approaches each job with a combination of expertise and efficiency. From the moment a client contacts Good Guys to schedule a cleanup, they can rest assured knowing that their yard is in capable hands. One of the key advantages of hiring Good Guys is their comprehensive approach to leaf cleanup. This includes raking and bagging leaves, and even hauling away the accumulated mess. Homeowners can breathe a sigh of relief, knowing that Good Guys will leave their property looking immaculate. But what sets Good Guys apart from the competition is their unwavering commitment to affordability. Leaf cleanup can be an expensive endeavor, especially for homeowners on a tight budget. However, Good Guys believes that everyone deserves access to high-quality landscaping services at a reasonable price. Their pricing is transparent and competitive, with no hidden fees or surprise charges. Now let's take a closer look at the process of a typical leaf cleanup job with Good Guys Landscaping. It all begins with a phone call or online inquiry from the client who expresses their need for leaf cleanup services. Good Guys promptly schedules a convenient appointment time and dispatches a team of experienced professionals to assess the scope of the job. Upon arrival, the Good Guys team conducts a thorough inspection of the property, taking note of areas with heavy leaf accumulation and any potential obstacles or hazards. With a clear understanding of the task at hand, they spring into action. First, the team tackles the task of raking and bagging leaves, methodically working their way across the property to ensure no leaf is left behind, and around the perimeter of the house, where leaves tend to accumulate. With the cleanup phase complete, the Good Guys team loads the accumulated leaves and debris onto their trucks for disposal. They take great care to properly dispose of the waste in an environmentally responsible manner. So the next time your yard is buried under a mountain of leaves, remember to call the Good Guys. They'll have your property looking pristine in no time.